everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel. And today I am so very excited to review a game changer, like a life changer, a game changer for me, for my kitchen, for my everyday cooking. And I am talking about the Midea Flexify French door air fryer oven. This Midea oven is my new favorite thing. It's preparing food, it's cooking the food in so many different ways, as well as it does it quick. Like, I just made pizza with this one yesterday, and that was the fastest pizza I've ever cooked in my entire life. You just basically put it in, and it takes about 5-6 minutes, and your pizza is ready. With my regular oven, like the huge big oven that I have in my house, it takes me about 20 to 25 minutes. So this is a crazy time saver. It's very compact size. I love how small and compact and lightweight this one, so it's easy to move it from place to place. It's a great countertop type of an oven, air fryer, and so very on. It can even slow cook. And it came with so many different trays just for our best experience. And I absolutely a huge fan of the doors. You know, when you open the doors, it just looks so very gorgeous. So this product looks absolutely aesthetic. I love the design. I love the functionality. Well, guys, let's get started with a detailed review. So this is Midea Flexify French door air fryer oven, and it was the best of KB's winner in 2024. This oven is extra stylish. I absolutely love this one on my kitchen. It looks gorgeous and makes my kitchen to look even better than it looked before. Also, I love the French door. It's so much pleasure just to open this door. So once you open one, the second door is opened as well. So they're like opening together, basically creating this gorgeous, beautiful show. So you could see your very well cooked and very well made meal ready inside of this oven. It's like such an elegant oven. Also, it's very extra practical because it has it all inside. It's actually a professional air fryer, and it's capable of so many cooking modes, and you can completely customize and personalize each single mode of Midea to your personal culinary needs. It's extra flexible, and you can cook with versatile of 10 functions. So it's air fry, roast, bake, broil, toast, pizza, reheat, slow cook, dehydrate, and just warm. I've made a pizza with this one, and I was never getting my pizza done so very quick. So it's extra powerful and super quick. So this is a Cyclone Air Fryer. So it gives a 25% faster cooking and 90% less oil compared to the traditional fryers. This is an all-in-one combo, features the VDE-certified heat evenness with 1 convection fan and 6 heat tubes. All that to allow it to heat up really quick and to eliminate the need for preheating when using the air fry function. So there is no need to preheat this oven. It's so strong and powerful that you just basically put the food in and turn it on. There is no need to preheat. I love it. Like, I hate preheating my oven because I'll always, preheat my oven. I completely forget about it. And then after it works for like an entire hour, sometimes 2 hours, wasting my electricity, like blowing up my electricity bill, and my entire house is like warm, and then air conditioner is working hard, and I just forget about it once I preheat. So this is why this Midea Flexify French door air fryer oven, it's a complete game changer for me. This Midea Flexify has a large capacity. So it comes with 26.4 QT French door, and this Midea Flexify can perfectly fit one 12-inch pizza, as you can see right now on your screens, or up to 6 slices of toast, or 14 juicy chicken wings. This is definitely an ideal addition to my kitchen. Now you have a precise temperature and time control. So you have 5-degree Fahrenheit increments for temperature adjustment and 1-minute increments for time, with a wide range from 100 degrees by Fahrenheit up to 450 degrees by Fahrenheit. You choose it. But you also have a built-in recipes, so whatever you want to do. Let's say you can see right now that I'm making a 12-inch pizza, and Midea Flexify already had the recipe inside. So I just need to choose not 9-inch but 12-inch pizza, hit start, and it's done. Of course that I can completely customize the temperature and the time by my own personal preferences, but it has already a built-in recipe basically to bake a lot of things, so it's not needed. So if you don't want to mess with that, you just simply press start and it's going to do it for you. Or if you are such a professional cook, you can absolutely adjust the time and the temperature to your own personal taste. I am such a fan of the elegant design of this one. It's made with this like stylish anti-scald double French doors, and with a large LED display, which is really easy and intuitive to understand how the display works and what button to push, to make it work. I love when it's user-friendly, the products that I'm reviewing.
Love it. This one is definitely one of the very much user-friendly products. Also, the display adds aesthetic to your cooking space, and it comes with a crumb tray. It comes with air fry basket, with baking rack and baking tray for your cooking and baking needs. It's basically one Midea Flexify air fry oven for every single meal. So you can make tons of things with this one. It works with a 360% of air cyclone. So thanks to the top 360 degrees air cyclone technology, it heats up the food quickly and very much evenly. This is what the most important part. It makes it evenly. So I bet you know what I'm talking about. When you put something to reheat, to heat up on your microwave, you always will get like one side extra hot, one side cold, one side medium. It's like not even. So this Midea Flexify makes it all evenly. And that's what I truly love about this one. So it's delivering a deliciously uniform meals every single time. And I love it. It has a top convection fan for strong airflow, and it's surrounding with 6 heating tubes, as I said before. In general, I am a huge fan of this one. It's definitely added so much style to my kitchen, as well as it eased my day because it works so very fast and I don't need to work so hard anymore to make my food ready to cook, because this Midea Flexify does it all quick, fast, and the food comes out in a perfectly done condition.
Guys, I truly hope it was helpful for you, this video of mine. I am a huge fan. I'm serious. This is like the fastest and the best cooking device I ever seen and had in my entire life. My husband was so very excited about it. My husband said he's gonna cook every single evening right now since we got this Midea Flexify oven. He's obsessed with this one. He cannot leave it alone. And I'm like, oh my God, you wanna cook? Sure, have fun. Thank you so much, Midea. Now I don't need to cook anymore. My husband does it because he's so very much excited about this oven. So guys, I will highly recommend you to check out Midea Flexify oven. I absolutely love the French doors. Already said you that like for at least 4 times. But once again, the French doors are just gorgeous, gorgeous design. Absolutely fits into my kitchen style, into my kitchen decor, and looks so very stylish and beautiful on my countertop. Well guys, be so very sure to check Midea. I will leave you all of the links down below in the description box to this video of mine, as well as any other possible type of information like coupon codes, discounts, promotions, sales, and so very on. Every possible information way to save some money of yours is going to be located down below in the description box of this video of mine. So it's definitely really worth it to check it out. Well, that was actually all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next videos. XOXO Valentine.